This training video will show you how to use the Clearskin Pro 1540nm with the 7x7 pixel tip on the Harmony XL Pro Special Edition. Setting up. Connect the Clearskin Pro applicator into the port by inserting the connector, ensuring the screw is horizontal. Turn the screw clockwise to lock in the applicator. Laser handpieces are most secured on the V-shaped applicator holder. Lead with the umbilical cord down to securely rest the applicator. Make sure the red safety button is released. If not, swivel to release. Turn the key and tap Start on the welcome screen. The system automatically identifies the connected handpiece. The laser module, Clearskin, is displayed on the operation screen. The 7x7 pixel tip can be connected in one orientation onto the applicator in a clockwise direction. When a distinct resistance is felt from the handpiece, stop screwing. Screwing the tip in too tight can damage the sensor pins on the handpiece. The pixel tip will be recognised on the screen. The pixel tip should be paired with the cooled horseshoe-shaped magnetic connector. Pulse repetition rate can be toggled from 1 to 3 Hz. This will deliver 1, 2 or 3 consecutive pulses per second when the trigger and foot pedal are pressed. Adjust energy with the arrows. The maximum energy is 1,500 mJ per pulse when working at 3 Hz. 2,000 mJ per pulse when working at 2 Hz. And up to 3,000 mJ per pulse when working at 1 Hz. When working at 3 Hz, pulses can be stacked or grouped in 3, 4 or 5 consecutive pulses. Cooling can be switched off or used at 50, 75 or 100% intensity. 100% is recommended to protect the epidermis. The vacuum function is disabled when working with the pixel tip. The total energy accumulated during the treatment is recorded here. The home icon will take you back to the welcome screen. The treatment. Clean the treatment area. Remove all cosmetics, deodorant, moisturiser and any other topicals on the skin and remove all jewellery. The appropriate safety goggles for 1540nm wavelength must be worn. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the client. Perform a skin test prior to the complete treatment session. Set parameters according to the operating manual. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure to wrist with the safety strap. To start the treatment, switch to ready mode by pressing the standby button. The indicator lamp will flash. Check the tip is cooled before starting. Position the cooled tip perpendicular to the skin. Full contact is required without excessive force. Activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the hand trigger. Pulses can be stacked according to the protocols in the operating manual. Move methodically over the area in a stamping method with no overlaps or gaps, delivering the required laser energy. During the procedure, the ready button will indicate lasing and the indicator lamp will remain illuminated. The client should feel heat on the skin. However, if uncomfortable, the energy can be reduced. The device must be in standby to make changes. Several passes can be performed over the treatment area if required. To reset accumulative energy, switch to standby and press the reset icon. At the end of the treatment, set the platform back to standby mode and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint will be mild to moderate erythema. Apply soothing cream on the treatment area and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions. The recommended number of treatments is 4 to 6. Treatment intervals should be between 2 to 3 weeks. Cleaning. After the treatment, use 70% alcohol to clean the tips and cooled connectors. Do not clean the lens of the tip with alcohol. 70% alcohol on a soft cotton cloth can also be used to clean the handpiece, umbilical cord and console. Clean the lens after the treatment, inspect it for any dirt or debris. Apply the dust cap back onto the applicator when not in use.